Alright, today we are going to learn about the kitchen utensils, things we are using in our kitchens. I'm from Igbo tribe and he is from
Yoruba.
he's a Yoruba guy. So we want to know if he can predict what I call the names of things I call in Igbo. Okay? In the kitchen we have ite. What is ite?
Ite. In my language,
No, in English.
in English, that is knife.
No, you failed. We call ite pot.
Wow.
Pot is ite. Okay.
In your language, can you predict what is called obe?
Obe,
Yeah.
spoon.
No. Ite.
What?
What is obe in our language is knife. We call
Knife.
it knife.
Wow. All right. In my language, we have ose.
It is called soup.
No. You failed. We call ose pepper. Pepper.
Can you predict what is called iyo in your language?
Iyo.
Iyo. Yeah.
Iyo. Iyo is crayfish.
In English, it is called salt.
Wow.
But in my language, it is called iyo.
Wow.
Yeah.
That's nice. All right. In my language, we say mma.
Uma.
What do you call mma in English language?
In English language, uma. Uma, it is, to my own idea, it is called vegetable.
No. Knife.
Wow.
Mma is called knife in my language. All right, your turn.
Okay, can you please tell me what you understand by the word in my language, adugon?
Adugon.
Yeah.
Vegetable.
No, it is called
Pot.
pot. All these pots when you use for black charcoal.
Okay.
Yeah, it is called adugon.
Okay. All right. In my language, we call Odun.
Odun.
Accord.
Water.
No?
What is it?
Peso.
Paste. Okay, paste.
That
Okay,
pesto we are using
to bind all
yes.
these things. Okay. In my language, there's what we call udo.
Odo.
Yeah, what is it in English?
Mortar.
Wow. You try.
I did well.
You try.
Then in my language we call Nyo.
Inyo.
Yes.
That
What is it called in
salt.
English language? Salt? No. Nyo is sieve.
Sieve. Oh.
Sieve. Yeah. Your turn.
In my language, there's what we call efo.
Efo.
Yeah. What is it in your language or in English? Anyone you like to tell me?
Onion.
No.
What?
Vegetable.
Vegetable. Wow.
Vegetable.
All right. In my language we call yabas. What is yabas?
Yabas.
Yes.
Yabas means onion.
Wow. All right.
I got it?
Yeah, you got
Wow.
it.
Good. My language, there's what we call issue.
Issue.
So,
Issue.
yeah, what do you understand by the word issue?
Issue.
Yeah.
Let's say pot.
No. Yam.
Yeah. Wow. In my language we call G. What is G?
G.
G. Yes.
G means onion.
No. Yam.
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 In my language, there's what we call cocoa.
Cocoa.
Yeah, cocoa.
Cocoyam.
Wow, you tried.
All right. In my language, there is something we call okiri.
Okiri.
Yes.
Pap.
Hmm?
Pap.
Now, it's is that the last answer?
Yes, that's the last
Okay,
answer.
okay. Okri is mortar.
Mortar.
Yeah.
Omi.
Omi.
Yeah. Omi.
Omi. I don't
You don't
know.
know. Igbo. You don't know.
let me presume. Oh, mortar.
No. Water.
Water. Wow.
Water.
Wow. Okay. In my kitchen, like in our kitchen,
Mm.
you will find iko. What is
Iko.
iko?
Iko.
Yes.
Iko. Iko means palm oil.
No.
Palm oil.
Iko means cup.
Cup. Wow.
Yes.
In my language, there's so called epo.
Ekpo.
In it's one of the kitchen utensils we use. Epo.
Ekpo.
So what do you understand by the word epo?
Ekpo.
Yeah.
Cup.
No.
What?
Red oil. Palm
Wow.
oil.
Wow. There's something we call mweku. No, small knife.
Small
Those
life.
small knife we're using to slice
Like
vegetables and all these things. Yeah. All
in my
right.
language, there's what we call albosa.
Alubosa.
Yes.
Cup.
No. Absolutely no.
What?
It's onion.
Onion.
Yeah.
Wow.
Onion.
Okay. We call mmanunni. Mmanunni.
You want to scatter my brain?
But you said alubosa now. So my own is mmanunni. What do we call mmanunni in our language?
Onion.
In English language?
Palm oil.
It is what it is.
It is what it is. Zero.
All right. It seems like we draw the curtain here.
Okay.
So next time we see you people, we see you guys. Stay with us at Igbo Echo. My name remains Gideon Dimobiefuna, and I'm here with my friend.
My name is Sherry. Next time we meet people again.
All right, take care.
Bye.
God.
Bye. Good